Hello, everyone. I just wanted to give you a quick little video to help you understand how to access your homework assignments for week one. When you are looking inside of your Blackboard course, you are going to see your Start Here module that we went over during class. You will also see week one, class one, and then underneath it, it'll say week one homework assignments due by week two, class number one. So since we meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays, your homework is always due by Tuesday morning. And since we meet at 9:30 in the morning, your homework assignments are always due on Tuesday mornings by 9:29 a.m. What you're going to do to access your assignments is you're going to click the down arrow. And when you click the down arrow, you'll see some information for you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is a brief description that reminds you that these assignments are due no later than 9:29 a.m. on Tuesday, October 25th. When you click into this, you will see your assignment directions, and you'll notice I have those assignment directions written here, and you're going to be doing a total of 3 assignments for homework. The first one is reading chapter 1 of your textbook and completing 5 questions over the chapter. Then you'll be learning about facts and opinions and doing some brief activities on that. And finally, learning about paragraph development and completing some brief activities. Right below this, there's going to be a watch this spot. And guess what goes there? You're right, this particular video is just in case you forget exactly what you need to do for each individual assignment. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press the blue X and get out of this. What you'll see here is our reading guide for chapter number 1. And what you can do is click into this. And you can, when this comes up, it gives you some basic information about it for the due date. It tells you that you have 1 attempt left and how many points it's worth. The next thing you want to do is click View Assessment. And it opens up and it gives you your directions. It says here to download the above document, so this document right here, and save it like this, week 1, homework, and then you're going to add your last name to the end of it. Then you're going to answer the 5 questions in the reading guide, and you will load it back up into this spot, because see right here, you'll be able to click on Add Content and use this little attachment to insert or upload your document for me. Okay, so this is how you complete assignment number 1, and I'm going to click this. And you're going to find the reading for that right here, chapter 1, Why We Write. And you'll click into this. And if you have not already logged into Cengage, you will have to do that. But then what you'll do next is click Launch. And you'll have to log into it. So I can do that. And waiting. And I am logged in. Hopefully, it's coming up. And notice down here in the bottom, it comes up with a chat with an expert, which will help you with anything. I'm going to open my course. And it's going to take me directly to chapter number 1 for me to read. I click on these arrows to be able to read through the individual chapter. And I just click on these until I get done. So that's how you're going to access your chapter textbook for your reading guide. Below that, then there are some information for you to do. The first one is an auto-graded activity on how to write body paragraphs, so you'll click into this. Then there's some information here for you about facts and opinions that you'll also do. And finally, the writing topic sentences that are here that are part of the writing body paragraph activities. So that's it. That's all that you will be doing for this particular course for week 1 homework assignments. Thanks so much. And if you have any questions, make sure you go ahead and email or send me a text. Thanks so much. I look forward to seeing your work. Bye bye.